This is a remote control irrigation system. When the screw is turned left, the water stops completely. When the screw is turned right, the water falling speed increases. When the screw is placed in the middle, the waterfall can be controlled. This irrigation system simply saves water.
When the summer comes, plants need a lot of water.
A drip system is ideal for irrigation. A small hole should be made in the center of the bottle cap. Then make another small hole in the back of the bottle. Place the screw behind the bottle. Tie the bottle with the help of 2 sticks. In the case of small plants, put it in the ground like this. In the case of big trees, I can hang it on the tree like this.